Hi everyone, we're gonna make a spicy chicken wing with Saisia sauce. Then that's the chicken wing we're gonna use, just a regular chicken wing, and we cut it into 2 pieces. It's around 2 pounds. All you have to do, you just put some black pepper in it, some salt, just a little bit salt, a little bit of sesame seed oil, some soy sauce in it. You marinate them just like that, kind of make them all kind of evenly into a chicken. And also you're gonna put about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in it. Okay, then we turn on the heat. You put about 4 tablespoons in it because you need a little bit more oil to fry the chicken wing. Enough to cover the pan, you know. Try to cook the chicken wing and also brown the chicken wing. You want to kind of little brown on the outside, the chicken wing. So it takes a little time to cook, so you just probably cook at least a few minutes in each side, and you keep turning it. You keep turning it until they kind of brown, you know. And you can see they're browning up, you know, so you can turn it over. And the other way you can cook it faster, you put the cover on for maybe a minute. So we're going to turn the heat to kind of medium high, kind of lower. So you turn this over. Just like that. Then you cover them up again, probably for a minute or 2. Okay. So we keep turning them. Because the chicken wing take a while to cook it through, you know, that's a way you have to cook it longer, you know. Normally they take probably about 10 minutes to have to be patient, you know, to cook the chicken wing. So we're going to cover up for another minute or 2. Okay, and you try to cut it open, see they're cooked, you know. You can see they're cooked pretty much, you know. You can see they're cooked. Okay. After that, we're gonna put the gingers in it, and the chopped up onion, the regular onion, the sliced onion, and ginger. And I put a tablespoon of garlic in it. And after that, we're gonna put a couple tablespoons of soy sauce in it. and one oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, and 2 tablespoons of sarsia sauce. And 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. And a couple tablespoons of seasoning cooking wine. And a teaspoon of crushed hot pepper, like that, you know. Then some diced red pepper, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can use sugar cane or you can use regular sugar. 2 tablespoons. And now you're going to turn the heat high right now to try to dry up the sauce, so thicken up the sauce, and you put the green onions into it. I think it's done, so we turn off the heat. Okay, this is spicy chicken wing with sarsia sauce.